My name is Helen and a warm welcome to my channel. With only a few ingredients and a top tip of no effort pastry base, it makes this vegetable and goat's cheese tart an easy recipe. Having food that can be made for lunch or dinner is always a good standby. My vegetable and goat's cheese tart is definitely a winner for these meals. I'll show you how to make it. The ingredients that you'll need are olive oil, 1 red onion which I have chopped, 1 yellow and 1 red pepper, 500 grams of sliced courgettes, 150 grams of goat's cheese, about 5 small tomatoes, chives, and we'll put those on at the end, and a mixture of Italian herbs in this dish with a little bit of chilli. 1 packet of ready rolled puff pastry, and it comes with a piece of paper on the back. Put this between the pastry and your baking sheet, and this will help it to slide off really easily. With the pastry, just make a 3 centimetre from the edge groove in the pastry. Don't cut it all the way through, and this is going to make an edge to the pastry and it will help to keep all the vegetables in the centre. Now, you don't have to be too accurate with this. I think I've got a bit wavy in some places, so it's not a problem. And then once you've done that, I've got a little drop of milk here with a pastry brush, and I'm just going to put that around the edge, and this will help it to brown up the pastry. So once you've done that, just get a fork and press lots of holes in the pastry. Now this will release the air and stop the pastry from rising up too much. So you do this all over, and again, you don't have to be accurate about this. Pastry goes into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, and it will be cooked at 200 or 180 fan. So while the pastry is cooking, I'm going to get on with the vegetables. So we put a small amount of olive oil into the pan and wait until that gets hot. Add in the onions and just cook these until they're just a little bit soft. So the onions are just slightly browning now, so I'm going to add some of the herbs. And the courgettes, and then the peppers. So I'm going to let the vegetables cook down now, and every so often I'm going to stir them and keep an eye on them until they're just soft. That's the ideal, really. So I've switched off the heat, and I'm going to let the vegetables cool down a bit now. So we're all ready to assemble the vegetables onto the pastry now. So I've just got some chopped tomatoes now to put on the top, and we'll also be putting the goat's cheese on as well. So this is all looking really delicious now. This will go back into the oven and cook at the same temperature, 200 or 180, for about 15 minutes, because it will only need really the tomatoes heating through and the goat's cheese to be melted. Most of the cooking has already been done. Well, the tart has just had time to cool down a little bit, and here it is. I think you'll agree with me, that looks absolutely spectacular, and the smell is just divine. So I'm just going to put some chives on the top now, just to finish it off. God, it smells so good. I wish we had, what is it? It's usually smelly vision, but perhaps it's YouTubey vision or smelly YouTube. Oh no, that's not right. I can't wait to have a piece. My goodness, that is absolutely delicious. The vegetables work really well together and the goat's cheese really enhance everything in here. I think that that is an excellent bake. Oh, I'll have to have another piece. Delicious. I have other recipes I know you will love, and I will leave a link right here. Could be here, 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 or here. Not sure where it's going to turn up. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at making this vegetable and goat's cheese tart. And come on back and see what I'm baking next time. Bye!